Buksan po natin ating Biblia sa Matthew chapter 22 verses 34 up to 46. Verse 34. But when the Pharisees heard that he had silenced the Sadducees, they gathered together. Then one of them, a lawyer, asked him a question, testing him and saying, "Teacher, which is the great commandment in the law?" And Jesus said to him, "You shall love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, and with all your mind. This is the first and great commandment. And the second is like it. You shall love your neighbor as yourself. On these two commandments hang all the law and the prophet." While the Pharisees were gathered together, Jesus asked them, saying, "What do you think about the Christ? Whose son is he?" They said to him, "The son of David." He said to them, "How then does David in the Spirit call him Lord, saying, 'The Lord said to my Lord, sit at my right hand till I make your enemies your footstool?' If David then calls him Lord, how is he his son?" And no one was able to answer him a word, nor from that day on did anyone dare question him anymore. Tinanong ng mga Pariseo kay Jesus kung ano ang pinakadakilang utos sa kautusan. Hindi ito'y isang tanong na maamo, pero may matutunan din tayo dito. Sinabi ni Jesus, "You shall love the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul and with all your mind." At ang pangalawa ay love your neighbor as yourself. Sapat ito para magpakababa tayo. Kailangan natin ito araw-araw ang kapatawaran ng ating Diyos. Una niya tayo minahal nang pinadala niya si Jesus para mamagitan sa Diyos Ama para sa kapayapaan natin. Pag-ibig din ito sa atin, kapwa, ngunit hindi ito natural sa atin. May ugali tayong inggit, malisya at pagkamuhi sa ating kapwa. Para tunay natin mahalin ang Diyos at kapwa, dapat baguhin tayo ng banal na espiritu. Mga born again tayo, tanggapin ang isipan ni Kristo at bunga ng banal na espiritu na pag-ibig. Pangalawa, ang Panginoon naman ang nagsalita sa verse 42. Sabi niya, What do you think about the Christ? Whose son is he? Ang buhay niya, ang kamatayan, ang pagkabuhay niya muli, ang pag-akyat niya sa langit, na magitan sa Ama para sa atin. Ano ito sa atin? Masasabi ba natin na siya ang ating manunubos? Ang ating tagapagligtas? Ang ating kaibigan? Sana ipagkaloob ng banal na espiritu na makilala ninyo si Jesus bilang inyong tagapagligtas sa araw na to.